I had the good fortune of entering into an agreement with Mahindra and Mahindra for their tractors as soon as I became the Chief Minister, and I laid the foundation stone. And a few days back, I inaugurated the factory which manufactures a lakh of tractors, which is the biggest in Asia. I had the pleasure of putting the foundation for Sikorsky aircrafts. I had the pleasure of putting the foundation for Tata Lockheed Martin, which manufactures airframe corporation for C-120, and I inaugurated it also. I hope I have the pleasure of inaugurating your car within a span of 2 years. Unfortunately, the automobile industry had gone away from Andhra Pradesh from a very long time. We had only a small scooter unit here manufacturing Vijaya scooters, that is the Alvin scooters. Our Alvin trucks was bought over by Mahindra and Mahindra. And now the whole field of transport in all fields, they are coming to Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh. And I assure the corporation that from the government of Andhra Pradesh, we will leave no stone unturned to see that your company comes as soon as possible. Whatever we have to do from our side, from government of Andhra Pradesh, we will be delivering that without any fail. For the IIT, you are supporting the IIT also. The National Institute of Design is going to start very soon. The National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Institution is going to start here very soon. The National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, the Footwear Design and Development Institution of the country is coming to Hyderabad. And I think this is the right place for an industry to be, with so much of human resource development taking place. And the government is taking a lot of care to see that the skill development takes place and the youngsters are employed. I think one industry was evading Andhra Pradesh, and that is the four-wheeler car or pickup vans. This is one industry. Still another is left, that is the two-wheeler. So we will be trying to get a two-wheeler to the state. I hope my dream of having all the range of vehicles, from a two-wheeler to an helicopter or aircraft manufacturing, should come up in Andhra Pradesh. And I think that dream will not be far away for us. Of course, I am proud to say that in the last 2 years, we have signed up mega projects, about 69 projects. Out of that, we have given a clearance in the SIPB meetings for nearly 1,33,000 crores, with an employability of 1,48,000 people. And all these which we have cleared are progressing fast, and I hope they start their production as soon as possible.